A very good evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The price of electricity is to fall this month. The Jamaica Public Service Company JPSCO says it will cut the price of electricity by 2%. That cut is in keeping with lower costs for fuel used to generate electricity. This is the second straight month in which electricity rates are being cut. The price of electricity for residential customers now average 26 US cents per kilowatt hour. The Bank of Jamaica says it has taken a deliberate attempt to clean up the look of the notes people use to purchase goods and services. This involves ensuring that the notes people use are clean instead of being crumpled, damaged, and tattered.
We operate what's called a clean note policy, and I think older people in the Jamaican public might remember when notes were more tatty, more dirty. We went through a very deliberate, conscious decision in the bank here to move to a clean note policy where we have a very high standard for the notes. So anything that comes in that doesn't meet that standard is taken out of circulation and destroyed, and new notes are issued. So we try very hard to keep the quality of the notes high.
He urges anyone with dirty or damaged notes to take them in and have them replaced. Meanwhile, the dollar lost some value today. As a result, the U.S. currency will be sold for $128.55. The Canadian dollar costs $101.82. The pound sterling is going for $166.33, while the euro now sells for $150.77. Access Financial reports it made $188 million in profit for the quarter ending June 30. That was up 29% from a year ago. And 138 Student Living released financials showing a profit of $30 million for the 9 months to the end of June. By comparison, the company reported a $28 million loss in the corresponding period last year. Blue Power says its profit for the last financial year was up 60%. The company's financial year ended on June 30 with $121 million in profit. Palace Amusement reports cinema goers spent close to $1 billion in its facilities during the 12 months ending June. The cinema operators say profits for the 12 months at the end of June were $37 million. That was more than double the $16 million the company reported in the corresponding period a year ago. The main JC Market Index fell more than 3,060 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 16 in trading today. The winners today included Access Financial, Carb Cement, Express Catering, Jamaican Teas, the KLE Group, the NCB Financial Group, and Sweet River Abattoir. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Honeybun, Lasco Financial, Pulse Investments, and T-Tech. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great weekend.